Yo, today I'm gonna go over how I lost $700 trading. I love it. All right. So today was terrible, both on execution and just mentality. Price action wasn't great. It really was not that good, but that's not like a reason for losing. So I also lost my funded account. I had all these four accounts. I still have them. I'm down 700 on each of them. So these are the 50K loan where you don't have to pay once you pass. So not good being down on this, and I blew the funded, but I did get an $820 payout, so that's good. That was my first payout. I got that last week, so maybe that's like maybe gave me maybe like cocky or something, but I'm gonna go over the trades I took today. So market opens here. They're both on Nasdaq, so market opens here, comes and sweeps. I was looking for shorts again. I was looking for shorts yesterday, and once again I was looking for them today. And you can see it didn't go short, but swept this high and oh, I don't think it swept that high, no. It didn't sweep this high. ES may have, but came up right at market open and starts chopping down, chopping down. Has this another wick up here. I'll delete this. Has another wick up there. It just touches into this 5 minute. This is a 5 minute fair value up, just touches in there. Comes down, and then after this, I enter on this. My first trade enter on this. Then I go break even like after that one closes. 1 minute, 1 minute candle, I'm good. Next one stops me at break even. That's not ideal. I kind of knew it was going to come to break even. I should have left it even just here if I wanted to play it safe for this trade because I could have seen this coming all the way down and then missing out on that entry. So that's, I mean, obviously didn't go my way because I was going all the way for down here, but that was still not ideal. I should have let it play out more, just or brought this down to here if I wanted to, but or after this go break even. But it would have been a loss either way. But then this trade was absolutely just terrible. So it came down and I got stopped at break even, and I thought I was going to keep going down. It came into this 5 minute fair value gap, wicks up a little bit, which is I expected that. Then it starts down, shoots down, comes back up. I enter there. Within the 1 minute candle, I should have, if I just waited for it to close, this would have all been fine. But this is where I had like nothing left. But this is pretty much where I blew the funded and lost like 500 more or 400 more or whatever here. And this was just, if I just waited for it to close, it obviously would have been a terrible trade. Or I could have just waited for here and done the opposite. Could have done that, and then all the way to just there, or way up here. I still wouldn't. This still is not a great trade here if I took it the other way because of all the liquidity to the downside. Obviously, it would have worked out, but I still, that would have been like a 5 out of or 6 out of 10 trade. It would have been a good reaction off the fair value gap and sweeping liquidity, but I'm not mad I didn't take that trade. I'm just more not mad, but shouldn't have taken the trade instead of taking the other way because of all the liquidity to the downside. All of this untapped. That's what I was aiming for again. But it comes out and then I lose like another 200 just like revenge trading. Like it was actually like here I think, which wasn't bad and I had the right idea, but just need to be more patient if I waited for say this was an area of liquidity right here. 5 minute. Oh, well, it's gone past there now. Wait, it's here. This one here on the 5 minute comes through. Then at 7:30, 7:30 starts coming down. Closes down right here. Could have waited for that. Seen this candle. Pull back and entered here. This would have been ideal. Go here. This above here. 740. It's a later trade for me, but TP1 could have been here. TP2 could have been here. And then if I wanted a third one, could have been, probably would have been here, which wouldn't have worked, but this would have been a great trade here or here. This was the trade to take, even though it wasn't off of fair value. Well, let's see. No, wait, no. That was the trade I could have taken, really. That's the only one I can see. Or this one, but I wouldn't have really wanted that one. I was only really looking for shorts or that, but this was terrible. Hopefully that can be better tomorrow. If I take a trade, I just need to get better at knowing when to not take a trade and stop rushing into it. And I would have a lot more success. But free Discord below. I don't know if you want to join my free Discord after this performance, but if you want to ask me questions or when I do start winning again soon and keep winning, because if you don't quit, you can't lose. But yeah, free Discord below and let me know any questions in the comments. Peace.